Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson, the bond of love. In our previous session, we came to know that Bruno ate barium carbonate. After that, he was paralyzed and vet came and he gave him injections. After that, he recovered. Now, let's continue the lesson. Another time, he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil, which I had drained from the sump of Studbaker and was keeping as a weapon against inroads of termites. Another time, Bruno found 1 gallon of old engine oil. Gallon means 4.54 liters. Bruno found old engine oil which writer had took out from the sump of Studbaker, from the tank of Studbaker. Here Studbaker means an old American car. From that car tank he took out old engine oil and was keeping as weapon against the inroads of termites. And writer wanted to use that old engine oil in order to kill termites, white ants, insects. He promptly drank the lot, but when Bruno saw that old engine oil, he drank lot. Okay. Promptly means at once. When he saw that, immediately he drank a lot. But it had no ill effects whatever. But this time nothing happened to Bruno. When he ate barium carbonate, he was paralyzed. But this time, when he drank old engine oil, it did not make any effect on Bruno. The months rolled on, and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. He had equaled the Alsatian in height and had even outgrown them. The months rolled on, and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. When he came, he was very small. After many months, he had grown many times. He had equaled the Alsatian in height and had even outgrown them. He had equaled the Alsatian dogs in height and had grown and even outgrown them. Outgrown means became bigger than them. Okay. But was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful. Physically, he had grown, but there was no change in his behavior. He was just as sweet as his childhood days when he was small. Just as mischievous, very naughty he was, just as playful, okay, as playful as his younger days. And he was very fond of us all, and he loved all of them. Above all, he loved my wife, and she loved him too. Particularly, he loved writer's wife very much, and writer's wife also loved him very much. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy. After that, writer's wife changed his name from Bruno to Baba. Baba means small boy. It is Hindustani word signifying small boy. And he could do a few tricks too. And Bruno was doing some tricks also. At the command Baba Razzle or Baba box. He vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for rough and tumble. See, when somebody used to tell him Baba wrestle or Baba box, box means fight, he vigorously means strongly, tackled means face or fight down anyone who came forward for rough and tumble. Tumble means fall suddenly. Whenever he used to get command Baba wrestle or Baba fight, he was facing the person who was coming in front of him. He was fighting with him or her. In this way, he was showing his naughty behavior. Give him a stick and say, Baba, hold gun. He pointed the stick at you. And when somebody used to give him a stick and tell him to Baba, hold gun, then he was pointing that stick as if he was holding a gun. Okay. Pointed the stick at you. Okay. Just how we human beings hold a gun, in that manner he used to hold that stick just like holding a gun. Ask him, Baba, where is baby? And he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. And somebody, when used to ask him, where's your baby? Then immediately he used to bring and cradle means waving that side and this side. He used to wave affectionately a stump of wood, a piece of wood he used to bring out from his straw bed. All the other times he used to conceal that. Conceal means hide or hidden. Concealed means hidden. Other times he used to hide that stump of wood in the straw bed. Whenever somebody used to ask him, where is your baby? He used to bring out that stump of wood, piece of wood, and he used to cradle that. He used to wave that side, this side. For him, that was a baby. That piece of wood was baby. But because of the tenant's children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept chained most of the time. But because of tenant's children, those children probably they were afraid of Bruno. That's why always he had to be kept chained most of the time. Okay. Most of the time he had to be kept chained. Okay. Then my son and I advised my wife, and friends advised her to give Baba to the Jew at Mysore. Then writer's son, they advised writer's wife, and even friends also advised her to give Baba to Jew at Mysore. Having such big bear in the house is not good. You give this bear to Jew at Mysore, like this. They advised. He was getting too big to keep at home. Bruno or Baba was getting too big to keep at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. Consented means agreed. She agreed to give Baba to Jew. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, A letter was written to the curator of the Jew. Hastily, quickly, before she could change her mind, writer wrote a letter to the curator of the Jew. Curator means here a person in charge of Jew. He wrote letter to curator. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? In the letter, he asked the curator, did he want a tame bear for his collection? He replied, yes. Then curator replied, yes, we want that tame bear. The Jew sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. The Jew sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles. 87 miles distance is there between Mysore and Bengaluru. And Baba was packed off. Baba was packed off. Packed off means to send somebody away somewhere. Okay. From Bengaluru to, he was sent to Mysore Jew. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.